Today I will be uncovering the top 12 Canva apps that will transform the way you create. Let's get started. Number 1. Type Gradient. This app will help us to create a gradient text. Type your text here. For example, I will write Canva and check your preview and adjust as you want. You can change your gradient color. If you are satisfied, click on Add to Design. In number 2 we have Typecraft. This app will help you to create perspective text. Type text, select font, then add element to design, and if you want to edit, click Edit. Third, we have Enhancer. With this app you can improve image quality. Choose File and upload the image. Here is your before and after result. In number 4 we have Colorize. With this app you can colorize any type of image. Here is your before and after result. Number 5 in our list is Frame Maker. With this app you can shape your custom frame as you want. Then you can use your desired image. Number 6 is Easy Reflection. This app is very useful when you want to create reflection of your image. Number 7 is Font Frame. With this app you can insert image inside the text. Write your desired text. In number 8 is Magic Morph. You can create a specific text effect. Here are some preset effects which you can use to design. This is one of the effects which I used. Number 9 is Cyber Avatar. As shown in the description, you can turn your image into avatars. If you want to create a long shadow effect, then this app is for you. Type text, then you can change font. You can change the border and make it log from here. You can make various adjustments as you want. Click Add to Design. Number 11, Speed Painter. This has to be one of the underrated app in Canva. This is mostly used by many YouTube channels as it is used to make drawing effect. Last but not least, the Origamify. This app will help turn your picture into paper craft style art. And there you have it, 12 incredible features that make Canva an essential tool for creators of all kinds. Whether you're designing for business, education, or personal projects, these tools will help you create stunning visuals effortlessly. I hope you found some new tools to try out in your next project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out.